If you want to delete your Facebook account, I'll walk you through the full process step by step in this quick and easy guide. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is different from deactivating it, so make sure you really want to permanently remove it before you continue. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on your profile picture. This will take you into your account and settings area. From there, look for Settings and Privacy. Tap that, and then tap Settings. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll or look for Account Center and open it. In Account Center, you'll see Account Management options. Tap on Manage Accounts and then tap Manage. This is where Facebook keeps the options for controlling your account status. Now look for Deactivation and Deletion. Tap on that option and you'll be taken to the page where you can choose what you want to do with your account. Here, select Delete Account. Facebook may offer you deactivation as a softer option, but if your goal is to completely remove your account, make sure you choose Delete. After that, tap Continue. Facebook will ask you to choose a reason for leaving. Pick the reason that best matches your situation, or simply select the option that fits your preference. Once you've chosen a reason, tap Continue again. At this stage, Facebook may show you a few reminders about what happens when you delete your account, such as losing access to your profile, photos, posts, and messages. Take a moment to review that information carefully. If you're sure you want to go through with it, continue following the prompts until the deletion process is confirmed. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to delete your Facebook account. Just remember, if you change your mind, Facebook may allow a short recovery period before the deletion becomes permanent, so act quickly if you want to cancel it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.